Before getting started, make sure the Instant Pop-up Builder plugin is already installed on your WordPress website. Then select Add New Plugin. At the top of the page, click Upload Plugin. Then click Choose File and select the zip file you downloaded. Click Install Now. After the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. To activate the add-on license, copy your license key from your Instant Pop-up Builder account dashboard. Paste the license key into the license field, then click Activate License. The language targeting add-on is now installed, activated, and ready to use. You can choose any pop-up type to display your pop-up. For this example, I'm choosing Image Pop-up. Add an image, then give your pop-up a title. To configure language targeting, go to Conditions and scroll down to the Language section. Select your desired language or languages. Choose the appropriate match mode, and then publish the pop-up. You can purchase and download this add-on from the Instant Pop-up Builder website. In this example, we'll switch between different languages to test the pop-up. First Spanish and then Arabic. In this video tutorial, you learned how to install, activate, and use the Instant Pop-up Builder language targeting add-on. You can also read the documentation for more information. If you have any questions or feedback, please do not hesitate to reach out to our support team for help.